Okay, guys, like I promised you that I'm going to be very, very detailed about this training. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to be learning is to how to craft your weekly content calendar. Okay, now sometimes people get overwhelmed because people are talking about Notion, Trello, all these things. Let me tell you, I grew my YouTube to 200k without Notion, without Trello. I grew my TikTok to 60k without Notion, without Trello. This is a simple weekly content calendar that I use. Weekly content calendar. Okay, weekly content calendar. So let's draw something like this over here, and then something like this over here. Okay, so like we talked about the content pillars, the 4 content pillars. We talked about the 4 content pillars. So the 4 content pillars will be taken into consideration. So over here we have educational, over here we have inspirational, over here we have entertaining, over here, and then we have promotional over here. Okay, all right, then over here we have the days of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on and so forth. Okay, these are the days of the week. Now you have to make sure that you know your content pillars. So Monday you are focusing on your content pillars. Tuesday you are focusing on your content pillars. So let me give you an example. Let me give you a typical example. Let's say you are a holistic wellness coach. So if you are a holistic wellness coach, okay, now we should have this structure, this same structure. What educational content should you provide? Okay, now maybe you can teach about the key benefits of meditation. Benefits of meditation. Then what should be inspirational? I told you that inspirational should tell people about your story, your failures, and then your wins. Okay, so maybe you can talk about your wellness journey, how you overcame stress, your journey, your wellness journey, and how you overcame stress. Okay, then the next content should be entertainment content. Maybe your client story, how mindfulness changed your client's life. Okay, so your client story, how mindfulness changed your client's life. Then the call to action should be in your link in bio. So this means that it is not all the content that you create that you tell people to go to your link in bio. So you can create 3 videos a day or 4 videos maximum a day. So the first video should be the benefit, that is educational, tips and tricks tutorial. The second video should be about you, your journey in that industry, so that people will trust you. Okay, then 3, this one will help people to buy from you. You are talking about people that you have helped in your industry, your client's journey. Okay, your client's story. Then you have the call to action. My advice is that in every video you give a subtle call to action. So this is just a simple analysis. Now when you have a one-on-one consultation with me, we are going to draw weekly content calendar, so that you can follow it for your business. This is just a small sample and then a small scratch